Look at you. Everything's upside down around here. We just got through having the storage building built. Now we're getting ready to start the addition. All my new snake enclosures just came in today, so they're all stacked out in the addition and the storage building until we get the addition up. But I've had people ask me how often I handle my snakes. Nah, he just had a shed. He had 2 little pieces stuck. Anytime I take my snakes out of their enclosures, I spend quality time with them, handling them. Because it means a lot to me to let them know that they're not just something to be moved around. They're something that deserves quality time with me. So, as a general rule, I do spend quality time with them anytime I have to take them out of the enclosure for anything. I don't know why my flash keeps coming. Where are you going? You're getting right up in my face there, you are. Yes, you are. You're getting up my face. But they'll do this for hours. Just hang out with you and enjoy your company. And that's why I don't see why people think that snakes don't enjoy being handled and it stresses them out. Because they'll sit with you for hours. Just hanging on to you, looking around. He's an old boy. He was a rescue. But I got him out today because I had to get a little piece of shed off of him. And I'm moving his enclosure. I've got to get all the snakes out of the back room and bring them into the main part of the house to keep them comfortable and warm so I can watch them. Because we're tearing out a lot of the stuff in the bathroom and putting new plumbing in and everything. So I like my snakes close to me so I can watch them all the time and keep tabs on them. But this is Tipper. Say hi. Yeah. But, you know, the quality of time you invest with your animals makes a world of difference to them, especially snakes. And those people that never take them out, never handle them, never work with them, you can't expect them to accept you as an equal or as a friend because they don't look at you that way. You're just so handsome. Yes, you are. I don't know why my flash came on with my video, but oh well, it did. Perfect shed. He had near a perfect shed, which is really rare for ball pythons. Actually, he only had 2 little teeny pieces of skin left on him, shed. But see, they're social animals. They really are if you give them the chance to be. This is when you can see a scar on top of his head. He had a fresh rat bite on top of his head and neck when I rescued him, which I wasn't happy about, but he survived. He almost didn't. He was in critical shape. He was mite infested when I got him. But yeah, he's turned out to be one of my best boys. You know, I love all snakes. I'm not particular. I guess that's why I'm not really big onto the expensive, different morphs, colors, and everything. Because you take me, I'm just as happy with a normal as I am any other snake. It's not about how much they're worth to me. It's about how much they mean to you as a person. This is going to be a really strong close-up video because I didn't mean for my flash to come on. But they're happy doing this, just hanging out with you. You watching TV again? My shoes are muddy. We got a mud hole out here where we've been going back and forth working on the storage building. And like I said, my big snake enclosures just came in that I ordered. So there's a lot of mud out front because we're having our thaw here. It's not that warm, but it's warmer. But see, he's grasping me. This is what I wanted to do and show Neo. Constricting you only means they want to feel secure. But if they bite you first and then constrict you, that means they are literally attacking you because they think you're food. But a constriction by itself without a strike or a bite only means that they feel insecure and they want to hold on to you to ensure their sense of safety. But that's what they do. They hang on to you because it makes them feel safe and secure. I'm hitting a button that keeps kicking my video off. But if constricting doesn't mean they plan to bite you or eat you. It just means they want to feel secure. See, he's wrapped around my arm. He's wrapped around my knee. But if they strike at you and bite you first to grasp you, that means they consider you food. And then they constrict after they strike and bite. People have it backwards. I don't know why they think constricting means they're planning to eat you. It doesn't. It means they just want to feel safe and secure and don't want to fall. Just like they climb a tree. But if they strike at you first and bite you first to get a good hold on you and then constrict you, you can almost guarantee they consider you might be dinner. So it's not the way people perceive it to be. People always see it backwards for some reason. They think the constriction means they plan to eat you, and it does not. It just means that's how they want to feel secured. Like he is right here. Sorry about shakes. He's really close to me. But that's all it is. Just his way of saying, I feel safe. I feel secure on you, wrapped around you.